Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another subscription box unboxing, and I'm really excited to share a few things with you. I don't have anything new, but I'm still excited to show what I do have. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you different curriculum ideas, some organizational ideas, and also ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open some boxes. Okay, so today I have the Holiday Streak Co box, I have the Let's Make Art box, and then I was just gonna tell you what my Kiwi crates are for the month. So if you're interested in those, you can go check them out as well. And so also, I don't know if I should do this video every single month. If it's something you're interested in every month, please let me know below, or like once a quarter, maybe when I have a bigger unboxing, you know, because there's a few boxes I get on a quarterly thing. And so I'm not sure what you would like, or if you want to see them every month, I'm fine doing that with the few that I have. I don't always get new ones every month. I just have about the same ones that I'm showing you today. That's usually what I get every single month. So let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. So we're gonna start out with the Holiday Streak Co box, and it just looks super cute. Winter 2021, if you can believe it, it's 2021. And this box is $49.99 a month, I believe. I have a code for 10% off. I'll make sure it's down in the description box and maybe on the screen here, since I don't remember exactly what it is. But they also started little mini boxes. I don't know what those are exactly, if they include similar products that are in the big box, but I think they're $24.99 a month. And if you want to get the Valentine's box, I think it has to be ordered by January 15th. So I'll make sure their website's linked down below and that code is linked down below. And this is my third month getting the subscription. It comes every single month, and it's all about the holidays and just decorating and just sweet, like personalized things. I feel like they're my friends, and it's just really cute. So I'm really excited to open this month's box and just to see what's in it. So let's get this tape off and get it open. And hold on one second. Okay, we're back. That tape it did not want to come off. It was excited to be there, which is good news for us that they package it well. Oh, this is super cute. So when you open it up, they always have some different ideas up here. So like the largest snowflake ever observed was 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick in Montana. So just some fun little thing. The largest snowman on record was 113 feet tall. I just can't even, like, how do you make a snowman that big? So that's really cute. They always have some fun things there. And then this tissue paper is super cute. It's hard to see, but it has little gold snowflakes all over it. And the sticker says "Burr." Probably not like that. That was not like even remotely romantic or cute, but we'll pretend it was. Okay, so then when we open it up from there, we have their little card that usually comes with it, and they've stamped it with snowflakes. So if you get, I think it's your 6th box with them, you get a free item. And so that's what this is my 3rd one. And so then it's just showing how many more I have. And so this is their cute little card. And then they always send like a recipe, and they have some table talk ideas. So around the dinner table, or if you have some sort of get together, whatever kind of get together that looks like right now, maybe over Zoom. And then some activities you can do. So I really love this. It's just it's very personal. And so I think that's super fun. And then, oh, this is cute. They did say that everything would have one personal item, like every box would come with a personalized item. So this, I think, is a personalized dish towel. So ready to start the new year clean. So this is cute. It has a P on it for my last name. So let's see if we can get this open. Pull this off. We can do it. We're almost there. So this is super cute. So, well, it's upside down. It says the Paulson Kitchen. That's so cute. I don't know if I'll use this as an actual, like, we're using this towel, but as like a decorative towel, it's super adorable. I love that. So they just started that last month, I think, having like a personalized item, and I loved last month's. It's up on display in my house, and I really love this. This is super cute. And then, oh, it has little care instructions, I think, on the back of here. So if you're not sure how to take care of it, we have a blanket here. Oh, this is a genius idea, guys. Look at it's Velcro. You know how they're always tied and you can just never get into them? I love the Velcro idea. That's so good. And then I'm not gonna pull all the way open. I don't know, should we pull it all the way open? It has little ties all in it right now. So I'll open it so you guys can see how big it is. Hold on one second. Okay, so here's the blanket. I can't hold it all up because it's too big for the screen, but it's a good size, you know, like leg warmer blanket. On me, it would be a leg warmer blanket because I'm pretty tall. But like a kid blanket, it would be really nice. And I think it's super cute, you know, with all the snowflakes all over it and everything. So that's really fun. I'm excited about that. And it's very, very soft. And then the next thing is in this little brown package. I feel like it's sort of Christmas all over again. That's what this box feels like. Because you don't get like any spoilers for it. They ask, you know, what kind of style you like, so that they make sure they cater to that. And if they'll post some items maybe included on their Instagram, but then it's just, they kind of pick and personalize it for you. And so it's always a surprise what you're gonna get. So I just think that's really fun as well. So when we open this up, I know I'm already gonna love this because it's made out of wood. So this is so cute. Look at that. Let it snow. That's adorable. I just love the wood. I opened it and saw the wood and I was like, we're gonna like this. So it says Quill to Paper by 6 Trees. So that's probably who it's by, I'm guessing. So that's super adorable. And let's see what else we have here. So, looks like we might have another candle. That sounded really weird. I don't know if you thought it sounded weird, but it was weird to me. So, this says Winter Brew, warm cappuccino and sweet vanilla. So we'll see what this smells like. I'm not a coffee drinker or anything like that, so. Oh, you can get the coffee smell. But yeah, it has the vanilla and the like coffee smell, but not super strong. Not like I'm walking down the aisle, the bean aisle, whatever coffee bean aisle at the store. So it'll be exciting to burn this and just see how much coffee it smells like, because I'm not a big coffee smell lover. And again, I don't drink it. So we'll see how that goes. And then this is a reversible Happy New Year and Winter banner. So let's see what that looks like. This did come before the New Year, so you would have been able to hang it up for New Year's. I just didn't have all my other boxes at that point, so I didn't open it, but you could have used it for the New Year. So don't think that this is behind. They try to send it in plenty of time for you to have it. So we have winter on this side, so that's very cute. And then 2021. So you could still hang this up because it doesn't say like New Year's or anything. You could just celebrate 2021 if you wanted to. So that's a cute little thing. And then they ask if you have kids, if you want like a personalized thing for them. So it's usually some sort of coloring page or like a finding page. So this one says build a snowman family competition. So that sounds cute. So you could build them on here. Maybe you can make plans on here and then go actually build it and see who does the best. So those are all really cute. I really love this box. I thought it was super wonderful. I'm really looking forward to this next month's box and just seeing what other decor they have for us. I love the personalized item. I really love the wood. It was a wonderful box. So check out their information below and go support them. Okay, so the next box I had to show you is the Let's Make Art box. And this is maybe the 4th time we've gotten it, I think. This is for my daughter and it says kids only on it. This is $35 a month if you do the subscription, or I think it's $45 if you just want a one-time box. They also have some versions for adults or a little bit older children or whatever that I think are more, one of them I think is specific to watercolors. I'm not really sure, but there's 2 other subscriptions, so you could check those out as well. I'll just make sure their website is below. But what I've loved about it so far is that every month has been sort of a different medium, an art medium that they get to use. And I just think that's really cool to expose kids to different types of art and see if there's one they like over another one. I undid some of the tape on this, but there's more, guys. There's more tape, so we're getting there. Okay, so I'm excited to see what this month is like. So this is cute. So this is kind of their little motto theme. I am brave, I am kind, I am creative. They have YouTube videos that go along with this box that they send you in your email. And so they can either follow those, or there's a booklet in here, they can follow that instead. But in the videos, they always say this motto before they start. And then this is what it looks like down here. And I feel like this is a really great homeschooling box. If you don't want to go buy a whole bunch of art supplies, or maybe you just have one kid that's specifically interested in art stuff, then you can get this box and just kind of let them go to town. But this has a little, I haven't ever seen this part before, a little badge right here. So I am an artist, and I'm not sure, it says, "Hi artist, here's what you're making this month." I haven't seen this page before, so I wonder if this is something new for this year. And then when we pull this out, if I can get it out, we'll see where we're at. We have this little thing that has all these little eyes winking at us. Okay, so here's some different watercolors. So these are a little bit different colors than we've had before. I think the very first box we had some watercolors in it, but there was just 3 of them. And then straws. So I wonder if they're gonna do some blowing type art. These are pretty big straws. And this is really cute. I've gotten some of these for my kids before. These are their pens. Well, I guess they're like sort of more like crayons than a pen. But my kids really like these. But this one is long. This one's really tall. I've never seen them like this. I haven't gotten stars either, but you can take them off and then they have all the different colors. So it's a lot of fun for the kids. So this one's cool because I've never seen one that's that big before. And then they have the little packet in here that contains all the different information. And so it has the different color wheel stuff. It has a whole bunch of watercolor paper and all the stuff that they're gonna use for their projects. And then this is a postcard. It says, "Every month we paint a postcard to spread kindness through art." So that's what this is. So this box looks slightly different than some of the other ones. So I'm not sure if this is how they're gonna look from here on out or if they just decided it's gonna be different. So this is watercolor paper, but it's on a postcard. And so you can paint it and then I think it sends it to this person, which is this boy right here. It looks like he has a brain tumor. So that's really sweet. And so something about like giving back. So I like that idea. Again, this is slightly different than some of the other ones I've seen. So I'm excited to have my daughter get into it and to look at it more. But I just think it's a really great homeschooling resource if you're looking for an art kit, and it kind of gives you exposure to a whole bunch of different types of art. So go check that out. I'll make sure their website's linked down below. Okay, so the last subscription I was gonna go through is my Kiwico subscription. We get several of their crates every single month. So I was just gonna go through them and let you know what we have this month. I do individual videos for each of the Kiwi crate boxes. We've already done a few of these activities already, so the boxes are actually empty, but I kept them to show you. And so I'm just gonna hold them up and tell you what the project is, and then look forward to the videos. They're coming soon. And so you can check those out, or some of them might already be out by the time you see this. But the maker crate this month, this one is the most expensive one we get. It's closer to $30. It's paper pulp paintings, and I haven't done this yet, but I've looked at the instructions, and this just looks exciting. It's very different than anything I've ever done before, and it's not necessarily my type of art look, the look it's gonna give, but it's like a really cool idea. I just love seeing the different types of things that people think up, like the different types of artwork there are. It's just crazy, all the different ideas. So I'm excited to do that. And then the Atlas crate, this is probably one of the best homeschooling resources I could recommend from Kiwico. This is my favorite crate. I love doing all the different activities, making the food. So this month's Brazil. So we're gonna make a sloth and a mini soccer game and do lots of fun things with studying Brazil. And then the Kiwi crate this month is mirror illusion. So you're gonna use mirrors to flip images. You're gonna have some goggles and a trick box with illusions inside. So that sounds really cool. And then the koala crate is about bugs. So I don't like bugs, but they're not real bugs. So this is a lot of fun. They're gonna make a costume and a little ladybug pouch and a bug matching game. So that's cool. We're making a stack here pretty soon. It's gonna be like in front of my face. And then the Tinker crate this month is a parabolic microphone. It says build an acoustic reflector that focuses faraway sounds. So that one sounds very interesting and something that I don't know a lot about for sure. And then the Doodle crate is, sorry, you guys can't see these boxes, they're on the way. Let me put them down for you. The Doodle crate is hand woven baskets. So this one I actually want to do myself. Like I wish I had this one, or they had it in the maker crate, because this one sounds really fun to me. So you're gonna dye and weave fabric to create a set of beautiful baskets. So those are all of our Kiwico crates for the month, and I'm excited to do all the projects in those, and some of them, like I said, we've already done. So I'm just excited. I love Kiwico, and I have a few different codes for them, kind of depending on what codes are out at that whenever this video comes out. So I'll make sure the ones I do have are linked down below, and you can check those out. I do get a small like commission off of those if you want to use them. If you don't, that's totally fine as well. But those are our subscription boxes for this month. So I hope you enjoyed them. If you enjoy seeing these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to comment down below if you want to see these every month or maybe just once a quarter. Just let me know, and I will see you next time.